Hey crafty friends, Lee here. Welcome to the Tiny Paws Paper Studio. I am out from behind the camera today. I thought this would be fitting to do a little welcome video to kind of share a little bit more about myself, since today marks my 1 month with my YouTube channel. So perfect timing. The Tiny Paws Paper Studio got its name from my love for paper crafts, especially handmade cards, as well as my love for Chihuahuas. I have 2 of them, Astra, who is about to be 10, and Betty, who is 1. Astra is currently over here sleeping in her bed. Usually one or both are always in the craft room with me, so I thought it was fitting to include them in the channel. But what you can kind of expect from this, I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel, gosh, for years, and I guess I just now decided that I was brave enough to do it, so here I am. And I hope that y'all love it as well. I would love for this to grow, and this would be something that ideally I would like to spend a lot more of my time doing. I absolutely love being in my craft room and doing tutorials and teaching and doing all of those things. My plan right now is to upload a craft tutorial twice a week. Of course, you know how it goes with craft supplies. The more things you collect, the more places they need to go. So you may find the occasional crafty organization video as well. I also have plans to start doing some lives on my channel. I'm not sure quite the schedule of how that will go. It might be a little bit more infrequently to start to kind of see what I notice, but I would love to be doing that. And so be on the lookout for that as well coming up. And just to kind of give you an idea of kind of how I got here, I have been crafting for a long time. Handmade cards, I've been doing that for almost 20 years, and it has changed and moved throughout this time. I started on the original Cricut with the little click pad, little buttons, you know. I don't even know how I did all of those cards on that machine. And so that turned into stamping and die cutting and stenciling, ink blending, all of those things. I got started with Hero Arts, Simon Says Stamp, and Pink and Main card kits. That's kind of where I started and kind of grew my collection and my skills and my techniques. And I still love all of those companies now, as well as I'm becoming a big fan of Concord Ninth and the Christina Warner line. As well as Pink Fresh, Spellbinders, and I recently discovered Newton's Nook, and I love them. They have so much cat and dog stuff, which is like right up my alley. I absolutely love it, as well as Clearly Besotted Little Critters. I love those things. I liked making all kinds of different cards, so you'll see different things as the tutorials come out on my channel, and I like trying new things as well. But those are some of the brands you'll probably see me use that I love. I'm always open to new suggestions and love hearing what other people are using. Like I said, I recently just discovered Newton's Nook, and they're adorable, so I like checking out new companies. I recently had the opportunity to go to Simon Says Create a couple weeks ago, and that was a really cool experience to play and meet with new companies and products. I absolutely love that, highly recommend. But like I said, I just wanted to introduce myself, come out from behind the camera, say hello, and let you know a little bit about my channel and what you can expect. And if card making tutorials are something that you are interested in, then I would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, and be sure to click that bell notification to find out when I am uploading. I try to post those announcements on YouTube ahead of time, since I haven't nailed down exactly my schedule, but there are uploads twice a week, so that you can definitely expect. If you've got questions or comments about anything, please put those down below or on any video that you are interested in. I love interacting with people, especially about crafty stuff. I absolutely love that. So I like getting to know others. And like I said, I just wanted to introduce myself, say hello, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.